what do you think the green color of the rainbow tastes like?
I always thought green tasted like cucumbers when I floated through the sky.
Raya World.
Wait, I smell something fruity.
Yeah, is it strawberry? Or watermelon? Or banana?
But Mom hasn't baked anything yet, so where is that smell coming from? Come on in, taste the rainbow. Only available today.
I'm your first customer. One blue, please.
Here you go, freshly picked from the sky.
Sky flavor, but a bit sour.
Let's go ask Mom what the real flavors are. Mom, what do you think the green color of the rainbow tastes like?
I'm curious too. Maybe we can find out by baking cookies and giving each color a flavor.
I always thought blue tasted like the sky. If the sky could be eaten.
Cloud, the sky isn't food.
Let's do something fun. We'll use fruits to make a cookie for each color.
I pick pink because watermelon is always yummy.
Then I'll take red. It has to be strawberry. Red. Strawberry.
Orange. Orange.
Yellow, banana,
Green. Pistachio.
Blue. Blueberry.
purple, grape,
Pink. Watermelon.
Something smells delicious in here.
Dad, guess what flavor this cookie is?
Oh, that's banana for sure. Yellow, right?
Blue means blueberry, doesn't it?
You guessed too.
Look, it's a rainbow made of cookies.
Red, orange, yellow. I love pink the most.
Which one was your favorite?
I like green because I'm kind of pistachio colored.
Can you name all the colors with us?
Red,